Can I combine post-renovation cleaning with carpet steam cleaning or pressure washing?
Absolutely. In fact, combining services is one of the smartest ways to ensure a complete and seamless post-renovation transformation, especially when you're preparing to move back in or showcase the space. We offer professional carpet steam cleaning to remove dust, allergens, and renovation residue. Tile and grout cleaning to lift grime and brighten surfaces. Pressure washing of driveways, balconies, exterior walls, garages, and pathways. Optional extras: appliance interior cleaning, fridge resets, laundry area detailing. Bundling services saves you time, reduces hassle, and ensures your home is truly ready to enjoy from day one. No trades, mess, or stress in sight. We also offer custom packages for families moving back in, styling properties for sale, or Airbnb hosts preparing for guests. Just let us know what you need.